Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the E major scale. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the E major scale with all the correct notes and fingerings, 1 and 2 octaves, both separately and together. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video. If you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And you're always welcome to share my videos with your friends and family. All right, before we get started, the most important thing we need to know is the key of E major has 4 sharps. That is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp. All right, so we're going to take a look at the right hand first. I'm going to go over the letter names first and then the fingering. This is how it goes. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Back down, it's E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E. Now we'll do the finger numbers. 1, 2, 3. Tuck your thumb into A. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. Back down. It's 5, 4, 3, 2. Thumb on A. Then you cross your third finger to G sharp, and then 2. Thumb on 1. Okay. All right. Now let's look at the left hand. The left hand is the same letter name, so I'm just going to go over the fingering in the left hand. We start on our 5 on E. So it's going to be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When we get here, we're going to cross our third finger over to C sharp. So that's 3, 2, 1. Coming back down, that's 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to tuck your thumb under to play B. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, when we go to put these together, remember the thumbs aren't at the same time, so we got to watch out for that. Okay, so both hands start on E like this. E, F sharp, G sharp. Then we're going to take our right hand thumb and put it on A. Our left hand 2 is playing A, B. Both third fingers play C sharp, then D sharp, E. Back down, that's E, D sharp, C sharp. Then we take our left hand thumb and put it on B. Right hand's using 2 on B, A. Both third fingers play G sharp, F sharp, E. I'll do that a little smoother for you. Tuck your thumb, cross your 3. All right, so now we're going to look at playing 2 octaves, and we're going to put hands together. Now, there are 3 things we can focus on if we put our mind to it, and remember, this is going to help make playing 2 octaves a whole lot easier. So on the way up, we want to focus on remembering where our right hand thumb is going to land. And on the way down, we want to focus and remember where our left hand thumb is going to land. And then the third thing is we want to remember to always play our third fingers at the same time. Okay, so what that means is on the way up, we want to focus on remembering that our right hand thumb is going to land on E and A. So it goes on E and A every time. Okay, then on the way down, we're going to think about where our left hand thumb lands, and that is going to be on E and B. It's going to land on E and B. Okay, so that's where we want to put our focus, up and down. Now, as we're doing hands together, you want to think about third fingers. They always are going to play at the same time. And where that is helpful is we're coming up and when we get to a spot where we have to cross over our hand. If this hand is about to play the third finger, since we know third fingers are at the same time, then that means that this hand has to cross the third finger. Makes sense, right? Both thumbs go on E. Then when we get here, see how my 2 is playing F sharp? So that means my left hand isn't going to cross 3, it's going to cross 4. Okay? Same thing here when you get here. 3 in this hand, so we want to make this 3. Okay? And it works the same way on the way down. You want to focus on looking at the other hand when you're about to cross the finger. That'll tell you whether you need to cross your third finger or your fourth finger. All right, let's go through it. Here we go. Hands together, 2 octaves. So we got E, F sharp, G sharp. We remember that our right hand thumb goes on A, B. Here's C sharp with our third finger in our right hand, so I'm going to put my third finger in the left hand. C sharp, D sharp. Both thumbs go on E. Here's a cross point. 2 in my right hand, so that means 4 in my left. Right hand thumb goes on A. 3 on C sharp in my right, so 3 in my left. D sharp, E. Back down, we're going to remember our left hand thumb is on E and B. Here we go. E. We're going to put our left hand thumb on B, A. Both third fingers are going to play G sharp, F sharp, both thumbs on E. 2 in my left, so that means I cross my 4 and my right. Then C sharp, my left hand thumb goes on B, A. Cross my 3 in G sharp, because my left hand 3 is on G sharp, F sharp, and on E. Here it is a little smoother. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, both 3's on C sharp, D sharp, both thumbs on E, cross 4 to F sharp, G sharp, A with my right hand thumb, B, both 3's on C sharp, D sharp, E, back down, E, D sharp, C sharp, my left hand thumb goes on B, A, both third fingers on G sharp, F sharp, both thumbs on E, cross my 4 to D sharp, C sharp, thumb on B in my left hand, A, cross 3 to G sharp, F sharp, E. There we go. That's how we play the E major 1 and 2 octave scales, hand separately together with all the correct fingerings. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.